Hi, I'm Farah Mohan. I'm a self-taught artist. I study architecture, but I have a big love over batik, so I start to design them and form a company called Novak Batik. The story behind this painting is how the rabbit got his name as a jade rabbit. On the side of this ear, you can see that Chang'er is flying to the moon, making its way to the moon. And then the other side of this ear, where she's already with the rabbit, a loyal companion, after he sacrificed himself. I hope my painting inspired others. Don't give up, jangan putus asa, walaupun susah, keep going forward and keep being nice to each other. And if you do good, good things will come.